information on the Pittsburgh Catholic Diocese facing a series of clergy sex abuse lawsuits. Channel 11 News reporter Aaron Martin is live downtown with what the diocese is now looking for in the face of all those lawsuits. Aaron.
And David, this is the petition here, 30 pages in all, that the diocese has filed to the state Supreme Court, asking them for relief when it comes to these lawsuits that have been filed, particularly those pertaining to incidents that allegedly happened decades ago. Now the decision is in the laps of the 7 Supreme Court justices and could potentially have major implications on who is able to sue over alleged sex abuse. More than a year after the grand jury report in a clergy sex abuse rocked dioceses throughout Pennsylvania, the Diocese of Pittsburgh is asking for extraordinary relief from the state Supreme Court over a recent set of lawsuits. In a petition filed last week, the diocese asked the Supreme Court to look at a recent ruling that allowed a jury to decide if a victim's delay in coming forward is reasonable in cases of an alleged cover-up. That led to the filing of 4 lawsuits against the Pittsburgh Diocese, including one Channel 11 reported on last month, claiming abuse by retired priests Larry Smith and Father Joseph Gerdes in the 1970s. State law says underage victims have until the age of 30 to file a civil lawsuit in sex abuse cases. In its court filing, the Diocese of Pittsburgh argued, quote, "The courts of this Commonwealth will be inundated with uniform cases and millions of dollars will be expended pursuing and defending claims that may eventually be deemed invalid by this court."
I did not expect that our clients would get their day in court without a fight. So this is not unexpected.
Attorney Rob Pierce represents an alleged victim who is using that ruling to sue the diocese. A spokeswoman for the Diocese of Pittsburgh declined to comment due to ongoing litigation.
The church has issued many public statements about helping victims, putting this behind them, and yet this procedure, what they're asking the court to do, to step in and prevent cases like ours from going forward, is wrong.
Now, we checked in with the courts today. We're told that there's actually no timetable for the state Supreme Court justices to make a decision on whether they will hear the case in this petition. Although until that decision is made, those lawsuits that have already been filed will continue to move forward. Reporting live tonight downtown, Aaron Martin, Channel 11 News.